Technology has changed the way I do assessments by allowing me to give students more variety for their ideas, presenting their ideas and a larger audience to do that for. How has my new learning changed assessment? I've expanded to thinking around what's acceptable. I think I've been taking assessment too seriously, and I'm ready to have more variety and more fun. And number 5, designer, is the ISTE teacher standard that I feel I've practiced the most in this course. Have a great rest of your summer. Thank you.